because I haven't played the game. Suck at it. Oh yeah, sniper, there we go. There we go.
Here comes the crop duster.
Got
The scarecrow, move.
Get out of my face! Give me this bow and arrow. Oh.
Drop inbound.
Oh, that was. Okay, now it's back on, Dad. Now, okay, I didn't know if it was on or off. Yay!
Scarecrow, move.
Got him.
Double kill.
Got him. Bro, he has a freaking carrot launcher. That ain't fair. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna get back my. One more shot activates the hacks. Never mind, it doesn't. Man, TikTok flies! No hacks! Oh, yes. That's not an onion egg. A shotgun.
The scarecrow done wandered off.
Got him. Prank and drop. Why do I keep on exploding myself? How do I keep on doing that? What the heck? Oh, I just flew. Yo, bro, you're cheating. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna just camp at base to where no one can get beat. Bro, fight me. Bro, he stole my tomato launcher.
Drop is here.
No, I am not gonna assist nobody. They better pay me.
Better get over there. Only a minute left. Here comes the crop duster. The scarecrow, double kill.
Good. Pranked him. Gotta yeet that somewhere. Hopefully I can hit him. Come on, let me assassinate you.
Double kill.
Assassinate you. Can I
Triple kill.
assassinate you? Give me this asparagus, sniper.
30 seconds left.
So I heard a freaking chink, and then I thought I'd really just hit that dude. Shouldn't spin a win. Come here, prank him, John. You already know. Oh yeah.
Victory.
Let's go. Although I did nothing. How did I get 19 kills? I do not want that shovel. It looks kind of ugly. Return to lobby. Oh. Item shop? Wanna watch 23 minutes. Play, create room. Here's an easy trick for y'all to get a lot to to like upgrade, like to get better things in the game and to level up, just do this. I'm willing at max players, level up to private match, and then only choose Graveside. You also get a free shovel.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go capture the other pig.
Oh crap! I didn't mean to launch like that. Okay, I'm only gonna be using my shovel this yeah. Bro, you really had to take the most overpowered weapon? Bro! You took the most overpowered weapon and then used it against his... We're really playing Find a Piggy Pig. Bro. Whack him again. Give me my Piggy Pig. Return, return, return. There we go. Yo, bro, where are you? Where? Ooh, oh! I just flicked him. I flicked him. Got him. And all these people are bots? Well, like, they're all like robots, like AIs. So it gives everyone like an advantage to win. That's the only time I'm gonna. Those are the only times I'm gonna use
It's a
a
bird.
weapon.
It's a plane.
Because just to kill
Milking
that
it.
thing is impossible. Oh, my throat. So I might just be camping up here. What? You know what? No, I'm just gonna wait. Actually, no, I'm gonna steal their pig. Yeah, I'm gonna steal theirs. They're trying to steal ours, so I'm gonna steal theirs. Sounds very reasonable. Kind of. You hate that. Pow! I think that my teammate has the same idea. Oh yeah, to get this hat, like, you have to do some Halloween exclusive thing inside of this map. So I'll make a video of that. Bro, what the heck? Bro! He made that no fair! He said, psh. But I'm about to beam the crap out of them with this M16. Bro, get out my face, bro. A boom. A boom, 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 a boom, a boom, a boom. Got him. Come on, bro. Come on. You got this.
Your team's go.
Okay. Alright, we have one score. We have 1 point. We have 1 point. That's good. Kind of.
Here comes the crop duster.
No, I'm not gonna use a gun. I'm just gonna use my unicorn hammer thingy. Whatever. Oh yeah. I'm only gonna use this gun for whenever people are trying to steal our piggy pig. Get clapped. Oh, I thought that he would be like right there so I can just bang him. I guess it didn't work. Oh yeah. A multitude. Right there. Oh, Got it. Bro, you are not really just trying to steal our stuff.
Double kill.
Trying to steal it. Let me return you, buckaroo. If I wouldn't hit that, I would have been like, oh my gosh. So, assassinated him. Then also
Double kill.
assassinated, I beat him. Sounds kind of wrong. I'm sorry. Why do I keep on hitting that? I didn't even mean to click it. But this game is always so confused. Wait, are they actually trying to steal it? Bro, they have no chance. 1, 2, 3. 4, 2. Watch this, watch this, watch this. I'm gonna hit him. I'm gonna kill him. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. There we go. Yeah, that was 100% first try. Bro! There. Get out my face, bro. I'm about to roast you. Literally. Ah, no, I caught the crops on fire. I can boom, boom, boom. I can boom them. Oh, bro. Yo, bro. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Run. Bro, you better defend me. You better defend me. Bro, that doesn't look like defending at all. Bro! Oh my gosh, man.
Drop, incoming.
Bro, they're bullying me. Bro. How about that there?
Gotta get over there. Only a minute
Oh,
left.
I
Here
can't
comes
use
the
the
crop
gun.
duster.
But I can use it to get them low. Smart thinking of me. But do I need to smack? What? How did I even hit that? What? How did I even hit that? Bro, this game is not fun. Bro, what? Escort. Bow.
30 seconds left.
Bow. Quit trying to smack them. Go.
Double
There
on
we
the
go,
thing,
there
not a pig.
Smack them.
Double
Smack
kill.
them. It's getting kind of easy. Not to
Triple
smack
kill.
them. Bro, I'm getting a triple kill. What about a quadruple kill? I think it says like that.
Double kill.
Bro, I'm popping off.
Victory.
Let's go! Victory! See who's in the lead. Who is in the lead? Bro, how am I not in the lead? I have 33 kills! What the heck? I have 33! Yes, it's all AIs. They're all AIs. All of them are AIs. How did I lose? Team deathmatch is gonna be easy.
Get those comes off my lawn.
So that's my shovel. That rock. Now I'm a ghost. After took that ghost pepper, now I'm a ghost. Bro, I smacked him in the back. That's supposed to knock him out. Bro, playing against the bots are annoying. I'm having to play against AI. That's annoying. You think I said? Oh, come here. What the frickin' flick you? Bro, get out of my face! Guess what? Bro, I'm really just trying my hardest just to get the golden shovel. I'm like trying my hardest. Yeah, that was with my axe. I was wondering, was that with my axe or no? What the heck am I saying? I'm coughing.
The crop drop is here.
Pretty fun game just to get your aim training.
Double kill.
I was about to blow him up, but I decided not to. Because I didn't really feel like dying, because I'm not trying to have like a death on here. In this round, I'm not having to have a death. I think I've already died though. Bro, get out of my face! Go! No. Oh, okay, I just dealt some damage to him. Oh, sweet, an asparagus sniper. Sniperagus. Okay, I like that name. Sniperagus. Should I hit a trick shot on someone? Like a quick. Bro, I just shot that for him. He better be happy that I shot that for him. Bro, that guy and my teammate just got instead of the entire argument. Oh no! Oh, that was so freaking close. That would have hit him. That would have been crazy. I am not fixing to die.
Here comes the crop
I
tester.
hit the pumpkin. That would have been bad. But I'm trying not to die. I'm trying not to die. Oh, get away! Get away! I said get away. Bro, I said get away. Could have gotten away, but I said pow. Yay! Not hit him? How did that not hit him? I need explanations.
The crop drop is in.
He has the one shotgun. I got scared. He had the one shotgun. That was about to be bad. Cause that one shotgun is. Oh shoot! Die! Bro, you are not gonna catch me on fire. No, that ruined it. That ruined it. But that really just ruined that for me. No way. This is one of the rare guns, the AK-47. 2 of them? But this is one of the rare guns, the AK-47.
Double kill.
Get out of my... But where the heck is the AK? Bro, for that, I had to kill you because someone stole the AK. Please don't explode in there. Please don't explode in... Oh my gosh. Bro, that was like a nuke. It's them. Oh. Bow. There we go. AK. No. 2 times. I've only died twice. That's not... He was using the AK. Of course. You know what? I'll be nice and use one of the bad guns. I'm only using it because I want like the devil, the devil character. You have to get like 666 skulls with this. Gotta hop away. They should be spawning over there. Yeah, but I'm about to pull out the big gun.
Victory!
Got him. I got him. So who's in the lead on my team? Who is in the lead? Oh yeah. Boom. There we go, 18 kills. Let's go. We're going against bots is so fun. Has it been 20 minutes? 9 more minutes, okay. How much longer until I hit gold? That's not 300. Oh, I just need 200 more shovel kills. Bro, I want to get prestige so badly. Look at this. This is sick. But that's the end of this video, and hopefully I'll have silver or golden sugar by next